Alright, this is the test 2 answers, okay? First thing we need to do, okay, I'm going to pretend I don't know how to do some of this, okay? Actually, let's not pretend that. Okay, but this is how you would normally do it, okay? First thing is, which equation represents the line that passes through the point negative 1, 4, and 3, 2? First thing we need to do is find the slope, okay? Because remember, we're using this equation right here to find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, we do that. We have 2 minus 4, and then 3 minus negative 1. Okay, when you do that, you should get negative 2 over 4, which is negative 1/2. Okay. Now you have to use the equation y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Okay, when we do that, we only have to choose one of them, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so y minus 2 equals m is negative 1/2 x minus 3. Okay, I get it from these numbers right here. So y minus 2 is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 3 over 2. Now I add 2 to both sides. I would end up with y is equal to negative 1/2 x plus 7 over 2. Okay, which gives me my answer as A. I think that's right. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Alright. Now, let's just say, so what I'm going to do is check that answer. Okay, so all I have to do is put negative, control divide 1 over 2 x plus control divide 7 over 2. Enter. Okay, remember to check. All we have to do is look for our answer, look for our numbers, okay? Remember, we want negative 1 and 4, 3 and 2. Okay, so I go menu, trace, graph trace, negative 1, I enter the number is 4, 3 is 2. So both those numbers are good. Okay, this is where we see those numbers. Okay, all right. Now, which equation describes? Okay, remember y equals mx plus b. Okay, m is always the number next to the x. Okay, which is the slope. So y equals negative 2x, and the y-intercept is 3 plus 3. Okay, you don't see it here. Okay, I want one with a negative 2. Okay, this one doesn't have a negative 2. This one doesn't have a negative 2. This one has a negative 2. This one has a positive 2. Okay, so that's not it. Okay, we want the one with the negative 2 and a positive 3. Okay, what is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through the point 0, 4 and 8, 4? Okay, let's just say I don't know how to do this. Okay, I'm pretending I don't know how to do this. Okay, but one thing you can do is use your answers. So I'm going to put this in the calculator. Okay, I always like to create a new document. Okay, so I'm going to add a graph. Okay, so my first answer is 1/2 x plus 4. Okay. Negative 1. Oops, I'm sorry. I did that wrong. 1. Delete. I don't want to do that. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1/2 x plus 4. Okay, that's negative 1/2 x plus 4. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my 2 points, 0, 4, 8, 4. Menu, trace, graph trace, 0, 4. See 0, 4, that's good, okay? But now I want 8, 4. 8, enter. See 8 is 0, so that's not correct. I want 8, 4. Okay? So that's not correct, okay? Then you can try the next one, 2x plus 4. Okay? Tab, and I want to change my, okay? So all this part is raw. So I put 2x plus 4. Okay, menu, trace, graph trace, 0, 4 is good, but then when I put 8, 8 is 20, which is not good. Okay, then you try the next one, y is equal to 4. Okay, tab, and all I have to do is change, okay, I want to keep that 4 there, so I'm going to delete, okay, enter. You don't see it, it's still okay. Just menu, trace, graph trace. Once you graph trace, let's just put 0 in. 0, 4 is good. 8 in. You see 8, 4. That's going to be our answer. Okay? Because both of them checked out. Okay? Alright. Let's do number 4 the same way, okay? What is the slope of the line that passes through the point 2, negative 16, and has a slope of negative 5? Okay. Let's try this one first, okay? Alright. So, okay. I always like to do everything in F1, okay? Oops. Alright, so what equation do I want to put in? Y equals to negative 5x minus 6. So y equals negative 5x minus 6. Okay? First thing I need to do is check my point. See if it's 2, negative 16 is there. Okay. So I push 2, enter. Oops, sorry. I need to put menu, trace, graph trace. 2, enter. See, 2 is negative 16, which is good. The next thing we look for is the slope. Remember, to analyze graph, we go to dy dx. Okay, and if you can see, the slope is negative 5. Alright. I'm going to stop the video here, and there's going to be a part 2 and probably a part 3 later on, okay? So, actually, we have time to do one more. It's only been 9 minutes into the video, okay? Okay, again, same thing, okay? We can always check, okay? If you don't know how to do it, you can check, okay? Number 5, I'm going to do the checking. Number 6, I'm going to show you how to do it the normal way, okay? Alright, number 5, 2x plus 3y equals negative 7, okay? So, I'm going to start with the new documents, okay? So, I'm going to add a graph, okay? This is going to be in standard form, so I have to change it to standard form. equation, line standard. Okay, so let's go back. It's supposed to be 2x plus 3y equals negative 7. 2x to the next one, 3, oops, not negative. 3y equals negative 7. Okay, I press enter, and what do I want? I wanted to see if it goes through 4, negative 5, and a slope of negative 2 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to go menu, trace, graph trace, 2, enter. Okay, so, oh, sorry, not 2. We want 4. 4, negative 5, is that what we want? Let's go back and look. Yes, 4, negative 5. And we can go to menu, trace, no, sorry, analyze graph, dy dx. Okay, it's negative 0.667. So we have to look to see if the slope is 0.667. So I'm going to put negative 2 divided by 3, control enter to change it. You see, it is 0.0667. Okay, so on our first try, that is correct. Okay, so